Before launching a Dynamics Go template, there are a few simple pre-launch tasks that need to be completed. This video will provide you with a simple step-by-step guide to completing these tasks. By the end of this video, you should be able to locate Dynamics Go template license information, access your customer's global admin username and password details, assign the correct Dynamics license to your customer's global admin, and access your customer's Dynamics environment URL. Step 1. Dynamics Go has a simple 3-stage setup process. In stage 1, you will be required to select the Dynamics Go template that best fits your customer's needs. Before selecting a template, we recommend checking if you and your customer have the correct Dynamics license for the template you are interested in using. You can easily check which license is required by opening each template's Learn More pop-up and then watching the brief template guide videos. These videos will detail the template's license requirements, along with the template's features and functions. Step 2. In stage 2 of the Dynamics Go setup process, you will need to correctly enter your customer's global admin username and password. Your customer's global admin will typically be the person who signed up when purchasing Office 365. If this was you, then you already have the username and password details you require. If this was set up by someone else, then this person can allocate you as a global admin. If you need some help to do this, then we recommend watching this video, which will give you a detailed step-by-step guide on how to assign global admin rights to new or existing users. Step 3. Once you have purchased the correct Dynamics license and accessed your customer's global admin details, you need to make sure that the license is assigned to the global admin. You can do this by going to Microsoft 365 Admin Center. From the Admin Center, select Users, then Active Users. From here, you need to search for the name of the global admin you're using for the Dynamics Go launch. When you have found this user account, click on the display name. Then go to the License and Apps section. From here, you need to select the product license that is required for the template you have chosen. Once you've done this, hit Save. Step 4. The final step of the pre-launch checklist is accessing your Dynamics environment URL from the Power Platform Admin Center. You will need these details to complete stage 2 of the Dynamics Go setup process. If you need some help creating an environment URL, we recommend watching this video, which provides a step-by-step guide on how to create an environment URL. To access the URL from the Power Platform Admin Center, click on the name you've given the environment when it was set up. This will open a new page where your environment URL will be displayed in a box. All you need to do now is copy the URL and paste it into the environment URL box of the Dynamity product you are using. And that's it. Once you've completed the 4 steps in the pre-launch checklist, you are Dynamics Go ready.